guys! So, sinundo po namin si Carissa.
Hi guys, today Miss Wash got loads of stuff and Miss Wash is excited to open her gift.
It's your gift, bulok.
Sinundo namin. Kasi last day of school na nila for this academic year.
And I'm excited for tomorrow!
How was your party?
Good.
Naubos ba yung strawberry yung dala mo? Kasi pag may party yan sila guys, sila yung... Ano nga tawag niyan sa Pilipino? Yung mag-chip in. Food, potluck, parang ganun ba? So, pag napapili sila doon, may listing. Tapos ang pinili ko, yung fruits, yung strawberry. So, yung iba kasi yung mga breadstick, biscuits, cupcakes. Nakadala na ako ng cake dati. So, maiba naman, strawberries. So, yun ang dala namin. There were balloons? Asan ang balloon? Ngayon, yes, please.
Miss Wash is going to be tired because it's a long journey to her house and she got loads of stuff.
Oh, really? How many?
I don't know.
Oo. Marami siyang dala? Maraming nagbigay sa kanyang gifts? Sino ang mga classmate mo nagbigay ng gifts?
All of them.
So, kanina lumabas ako sunny. Kaya naka-sombrero ako. Ngayon, biglang nag-cloudy at ang lamig. So, nanghiram ako ng jacket ni Oscar kasi kanina nasa IKEA ako. May binili ako. Tapos, biglang lumamig. Buti si Oscar may dalang jacket. So, ayan, ang baby ko, ang prinsesa na maganda. Ha?
And I have KFC.
Ano, anak, magluto si mami ng ampalaya. Yan ang ulam namin, ampalaya. Ampalaya, tapos meron tayong bangus, di ba, daddy? That's all. Bye-bye.